English speaking course.
Episode 1. A New Neighbor. It's a big day today. We have a new neighbor, and we're all very excited.
Well, Jane and I certainly are.
Are you ready? It's 6:45.
What time does the film start?
7:30.
Okay. He's nice. He's very nice.
But not good looking?
He is good looking.
It's nearly 7:10. Who's that? The new neighbor. That's a nice car.
I bet it's fast.
That thing? No, it's slow.
It's very expensive.
Cheap. Is it? Oh, yeah, and it's horrible.
They say hello.
Now?
Yes! Hello.
Hey.
I'm Helen.
I'm Simon.
And I'm Jane.
Hi, Jane.
Come in and meet the others.
Okay.
This is Matt.
Hi, I'm Simon. Hello. And I'm David. Hi.
Would you like some tea or coffee?
Oh, yes. Coffee, please.
Matt, can you?
What? Oh, yeah, sure. Milk, no sugar. Right. Let me give you a hand.
Have a seat.
Thanks.
So, where are you from, Simon?
Newcastle.
David's from Manchester.
Oh!
I'm from London. I'm from Brighton. And Matt comes from Birmingham.
What do you do?
I'm a marketing assistant for MacDougall's, the publishing company. I'm a drama teacher. David's a lawyer. And Matt runs a computer game shop. What about you?
I'm a journalist.
Really? Where do you work?
I work in London for a sports magazine. Do you know Workout?
Know it? I buy it.
Really?
Sometimes.
Hate being late for films. Biscuit? No. I go to the office most days, but on Wednesdays and Fridays I work from home. Here's your coffee. No, thank you. The film starts at 7:30.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't realize. Don't worry, the cinema is only 10 minutes away.
Come on, Matt. Let's wait in the car. Bye. Bye, nice to meet you.
Tell us about your job, Simon.
Okay. The film starts in 1/4 hour. Where are they?
What do you do at the weekends?
I play tennis, watch football, or go to the cinema. Go to clubs.
Do you have a girlfriend? Jane!
Nice, okay. No, I don't actually.
More coffee, Jane.
Hang on, I've got an idea.
He doesn't have a girlfriend. He likes tennis. But he also likes football. And going to the cinema.
It's David. The film starts in 10 minutes. Say goodbye to your big boring boyfriend and hurry up. Just a moment. Hello, it's David.
I really like Simon. Unfortunately, Jane likes him too, but I'm not sure if David does. Episode 2, To the Rescue. Breakfast is usually a quiet time in our house, but not always. Good morning!
Morning.
What? Oh, sorry. Morning. Where's Matt?
In bed. Why?
He owes me 10 pounds.
Oh.
He doesn't start working till 1 today. Oh, yeah. Okay, see you later. You need some breakfast. Have a slice of toast. Good idea. Can I? Thanks.
Hey, it's my toast.
Bye. Bye.
Enjoy my breakfast.
Oh no!
Hello?
Matt, it's Jane.
Hello?
Matt, it's Jane. Ah. Listen, Matt, I need your help. I can't find my purse. It has my cash card and everything in it. I think it's in the kitchen. Could you look for it?
Okay, hold on. Okay, I'm in the kitchen.
Can you see it?
No, sorry.
Is there anything on the table?
There are some plates. There's Helen's mug, but no purse.
How about on the work services?
I can't see it. There's only the newspaper.
Could you look under it?
Okay, we've got it.
Oh, thanks, Matt. I was really worried. Can you put it on the kitchen table? I can pick it up later.
Okay, bye.
Bye. The keys! Don't believe it. Matt, also the door, please.
Tenant and Low, David Price speaking.
Oh, David, thank heavens. You're there.
Jane, what's wrong?
Everything? First, I couldn't find my purse, so I couldn't get any money from the bank. And now I'm outside the house and I can't find my keys.
Where's Matt?
He was at home before, but he's not here now.
I can't get away at the moment, but I'll try to come back in about 20 minutes. Is that okay?
That's brilliant. Thanks, David.
No problem. See you later.
Bye.
Are you okay, Jane?
Oh, Simon, hi.
What's the problem?
I don't have my keys. They're in the house, but I think I can get in through the window.
No, you can't. It's too dangerous. I'll do it.
Okay, thanks. Be careful.
Hi, Jane.
Hi, Matt. Matt, where were you?
I was here.
Couldn't you hear me?
Sorry,
It's okay, Simon. Matt's here. He was at home all the time. You can come down now.
No, I can't. I think I'm stuck. Hello, Simon. You alright? No, I'm not. Oh dear. Can somebody help me, please?
David and Matt rescued Simon in the end, but we didn't see Simon for a few days. After that, I think he was a bit embarrassed. Episode 3, An Old Friend. Our favorite bar is Fruits. We go there a lot, especially on Friday and Saturday evening. Thanks, Matt.
Cheers.
What time are Helen and David coming?
8:30.
Right? Hey, guess what? I saw Simon last week.
Really? That isn't very strange. He lives next door.
Oh, haha, very funny. No, I saw him in here. He has a very good taste. Do you know? I think he really likes...
Oh no.
What's wrong?
At the bar, don't look.
Who? Hi, Danny. How are you? Who is she, Matt?
She was my girlfriend.
Really?
Really.
How long were you together?
A month.
Only a month?
It was a very long month.
Right. When did you last see her?
About 3 years ago. She moved to London, but she sometimes rings me at work.
So she still likes you?
Unfortunately, yes.
Matt!
Oh, Jane, help!
Maddie, how marvelous! How long is it? 3 years? You still have beautiful eyes. You are happy to see me, aren't you, Maddie? Hello, my name is Jane. Sorry?
Jane is my fiancée. Pleased to meet you.
Fiancé? I didn't know you were engaged. When did you get engaged? About 6 months ago.
Months ago.
Where did you meet?
On the internet.
At the club? We met in a chat room on the internet and then we met face to face at a club.
Yeah, right, yes. That's right. It was at a club.
And we fell in love, didn't we, Matt?
Yes, we did.
I was very shy at first, but Matt was wonderful. And when did he get engaged? On the 18th of March?
Oh, no, it was on the 19th. Don't you remember?
Oh, yes, you're right, darling. Where's the ring?
Sorry?
Didn't you buy an engagement ring for Jane? He did.
I did.
But I don't wear it because it's a secret.
Nobody knows we're engaged.
Now, who wants a drink? No, thank you.
Same again. Please, darling.
Matt, I can't believe it. You're engaged. I thought...
Yes, sorry about that, Deb. Don't tell anybody about Jane. It's a secret.
Oh no.
What is it?
Look at Matt. He's with Deb. Poor Matt. He really didn't want to see her again.
Yeah, poor Matt.
Come on, let's go and help him, David. He needs our help. Hello, Deb. How are you? Hello, Helen.
Hi.
Hi. Did you tell Deb about our news?
What news?
Matt and I are engaged. What is it? Hi, everybody. What's the matter? Is something wrong, darling? So, you're engaged to Matt and Jane is...
Jane's with me.
But I thought...
Would anyone like a drink?
Jane and I told Matt it's okay to have 2 fiancés, but he can only marry one of us.